Hello everyone, this is Mark. So today I'm going to be going over a newsletter called Follow the Leader. Inside you'll find the details on the latest Sire Pass, plus everything you need to know about the upcoming 50 Prestige event capped at 50,000 points. We also now closed our roadmap survey. Thank you to everyone who took the time to share feedback, questions, and ideas. The response has been valuable. We're looking forward to discussing what's next with you all during tomorrow's team stream. See you there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna watch that stream, but who knows? Maybe I might. So this weekend's gonna be an individual totalizer event with 50 prestiges. So it's a Mega XP event, which means battles offer 25 more percent XP than Super XP events. And those are just the rewards there. And each Universal Prime Spark canister contains a chance of 15,000 Universal Prime Spark, 35%, 3,000 Universal Prime Spark, 3%, 6,000 Universal Prime Spark, 20%, 10,000 Universal Prime Spark, 10%, 20,000 Universal Prime Spark, 4%, and 57,500 Universal Prime Spark, 1%. Each shard crystal contains a chance of 150 5-star shards for 83%, 300 4-star shards for 83%, 500 3-star shards for 83%. And this is just the list of rewards for this event. So this is our roadmap. I went over this. So this is the combat there. So this is the combat bot for Subcons. Here it's equipped on Scavenger. Scorpiolator is a creature of pure instincts and pure destructive tendencies. His basic tactic is Rip, Rend, and Ravage, be it with pincers, lasers, or acids. In either mode, Scorpidon or Acid Spray Gun, Scorpiolator lives to fight and incinerate. Only an equally berserker warrior can handle them with any degree of safety. More information on them will be revealed as testing goes on. And that's the combat for the Autobots. And here is it. It's on Snarl. I don't know why it's on Snarl, but I don't think it should be on Snarl. Because Snarl's usually a melee bot, but whatever. Tyrannotron is a small but perfectly formed ball of feral fury, an utter force of nature boiling over, angry, snarling, barely controlled rage. He exists to wreak havoc with little ahead of consequences in Trouble Rifle weapons mode. He is every bit of destructive but prefers to get his own teeth and claws dirty. So the combat class's range. The ability is gain more damage. Every 10 seconds, fire a shrapnel shell on impact. Deal 2.5 times of your bot's DPS to the primary target, splitting into fragments that strike nearby enemies up to Y, dealing 1.5 times of your bot's DPS. Targets hit are flooded with glass gas, taking them to cause 40% more damage for 5 seconds. Star parity number of split fragments. So a 2-star does 2, the 3-star does 3, 4-star does 4, and a 5-star does 6. So here's the Sire Pass, and here's are the skins, which I go over a newsletter, which I had trouble with my mic. So here's what I'm going to say about those skins. I say both skins are pretty neat. I really like the Combiner Wars Afterbreaker skin, because the original version was kind of red. So this skin, he looks orange in his skin. That seems pretty neat. And with Cyclonus, I think Cyclonus was already purple, just like in the Combiner Wars figure. That skin kind of makes it look like more brighter. So, the bundle deals. The weekend bundle. Meta Maker's 3DS Masks offers the most meta-defining boss, handpicked with help from the top content creator, Meta Builders Crystals Spark. Meta Maker crystals contain the following 3 and 4-star bots: Vector Prime slash Noah Rhyme, Resta slash Scavenger, Skid slash Knockout, Inferno slash Ramish Cronus, First Aid slash Refractor. The fuel up bundles are back to keep you battle ready. Fuel cells, siren coins, and more. Robots in Disguise Drift and Energon Barricade skins are available for a limited time. Guaranteed 4-star bots, guaranteed gold G1 power cores, character shards. Total Megatronus pack is a definite collector to forge your Prime into a legend. Megatronus Spark, Cybertronian Alloy, Requiem Blaster Shard. So the upcoming events. So this weekend is gonna be a field event. This event, and after this one will be Tyrantron. And what else is the name of their Scorpiolator? Yeah. So the next event will be Tyrantron and Scorpiolator's combat event, and after their event will be the Prime XP event, and after this one will be Rain and Dion King's final 5-star event, and after this one will be a Prime Star event, and after this one will be a Alliance combat event, and after this one will be a new Endurance bot event. Trivia Corner. The answer to last week's Totally Tempting trivia was Swindle. Who is the next Autobot known for her sharp shooting skills? Find out next week. And yes, that's all I have to say for this newsletter. So I hope you enjoy it, have fun with the events, and catch you later. Bye bye.